Turkey and Israel have begun work on restoring their mutual diplomatic representation to ambassador level, Turkish Foreign Minister said, as the two countries seek an end to more than a decade of strained ties. The two countries expelled ambassadors in 2018 and have often traded barbs over the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Energy has emerged as a key area for potential cooperation as they strive to mend their relations. Turk FM said he and Lapid were in close contact regarding threats to Israeli citizens. Lapid thanked Turkey for helping foil a suspected Iranian plot to harm Israelis in Istanbul and said the effort was still underway. Through the years of acrimony, Turkey and Israel have maintained trade, which stood at $6.7 billion in 2021, up from $5 billion in 2019 and 2020, according to official data.